your host Sirius.
Now we your co-host Jorani.
And today we're going to be making the experiment is called Plants vs. Iodine from the MEL Science chemistry experiment.
This experiment is recommended for ages 10 and up. So if you are under 10, I recommend having adult supervision with you.
And before we get on with this experiment, we must discuss the lab safety rules first. One of the lab safety rules are make sure you put these gloves on before you start with the experiment.
Make sure you wash your hands before and after the experiment. This is not a toy. These are real chemicals being used.
And be sure not to come in contact with these chemicals. Also, be sure to put on your eye goggles, your protective eyeglasses for the experiment.
Do not directly sniff any of the chemicals. Because it can be harmful fumes. It's not safe.
So let's get on with it.
Can we get serious now?
We will be doing this experiment on a plastic tray. Sir, where's your goggles?
I'm just getting the directions first. Thank you.
These are dirty. Yours, huh? Now we have our protective goggles.
Okay. So, let's read the directions. Step 1. It says, Step 1, prepare a slice of potato and slice of lemon. We did not want to show you guys, we did not want to slice it during recording because we did not want to present a knife while recording.
We did not want to have a knife present in the lab area.
Sorry, but it's just what I just said, but...
That was horrible. People cannot comprehend that.
I'm sorry.
So we will be needing a sheet of paper for today's experiment and a potato and a lemon. MEL Science does not. What's the word? No, it doesn't give it to you. Like, what's the word for it?
They do not provide.
Yes, thank you. That word, provide. They do not provide the lemon, potato, and the paper.
Okay. So, let's go on with step 2. Potassium iodide Ki contains iodide ions I negative, which we can turn into iodine molecules L2 using CuSO4, which is copper sulfate.
CuSO4 is the formula.
Okay, let me just...
Why are you...
Co-host, may you show the viewers the copper sulfate? Thank you. Let's get this Ki. We need a cup.
You need how many? One?
Just one, yeah. Okay, if you guys haven't seen the last video, I explained the copper sulfate. Be sure to check it out. Okay, copper sulfate, also known as CuSO4X, are the inorganic compounds with the chemicals formula CuSO4X, where X can range from 0 to 5. The pentahydrate is the most common form. Older names for this compound includes blue vitriol, bluestone, vitriol of copper, and Roman vitriol. Okay, so that's copper sulfate. And now, if you guys don't know what Ki means
Potassium iodide?
I call it Ki
But that's the formula. Why are you calling it by the formula?
because
Okay.
it's shorter that way. Okay. Formula Ki can help block radioactive iodine from being absorbed by the thyroid gland, protecting this gland from radiation injury. I'm sorry, but my co-host wrote this, and sometimes I don't understand her
He's not used to my
writing.
handwriting.
Yeah,
It's not
for
bad.
handwriting.
I just can't understand it for whatever reason.
Okay. Injury in very small quantities, and it is an essential nutrient. How about you read this, because
Yeah.
I do not understand your handwriting.
Potassium iodide. The formula is Ki. Potassium iodide can help block radioactive iodine from being absorbed by the thyroid gland, protecting this gland from radiation injury. In very small quantities, it is an essential nutrient for your thyroid gland to function properly. The thyroid gland is an endocrine gland in your neck. It makes two hormones that are secreted into your blood, thyroxine and triiodothyronine. These hormones are necessary for all the cells in your body to work. Potassium iodide is also effective in reducing thyroid cancer. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so let's get this spoon and pour the copper sulfate in.
So we are pouring some copper sulfate into this cup, one big spoon. And we are only using one spoon because I figured if we're going to mix the chemicals anyway, what's the point of using two different spoons? Doesn't make sense when it's going to be mixed.
It just takes time. Hold on. Actually, maybe they pop it off. You know.
A few moments later.
You wanna help me? Do you wanna help me?
I honestly don't, but okay.
Okay. If you did that so easily.
Okay.
Did you pop it
So you use one big spoon. You weren't paying attention.
Whoa there.
Hold up.
Pouring one big spoon. This is copper sulfate, right?
Yes, this is copper sulfate.
That's about one spoon.
There we go.
One spoon copper sulfate.
Yay.
Perfect.
Here we go. And now, 2 big spoons from Ki.
Please pour over.
Yes. Oh.
Put a few more drops in there because you didn't.
Okay, there we go.
As you guys can see, the liquid turned about a brownish color.
Brownish, reddish, maybe?
Yeah, it looks
reddish.
a little red.
Okay, we gotta mix it for 3 to 5 seconds.
Would you like to do the honors of
Yes, I
mixing?
would. Okay.
Okay, so now we are taking these absorbents, and we are going to we
Hold
leave it in the
on.
cup, right?
I'm sorry, viewers, you didn't get to see. There you go.
Why do they have to see the name of it?
It's okay.
You just
Okay,
leave it.
go in there for 5 seconds.
You count.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. There we go. Pull it out.
Whoa! That
Now
absorbed
shake
quickly
off the crystals.
with the stick.
Yeah. Kind of looks weird.
Definitely looks weird. That's about it, right?
Yeah, that should be it. Okay. Step 3. Apply 1 layer of iodine L2 solution to a sheet of paper. Paper.
That paper is not gonna fit on that tray.
No, it's not.
Plus we have other stuff. So what we gonna do?
Maybe tear the paper?
Alright, go ahead. Get the paper. Or maybe fold the paper. That'll probably be better.
Yeah, that would probably be better. Okay.
Just fold it in half and fold it in half again. I don't know why you're trying to over here make a brochure. What are you doing?
The grocer.
Brochure. Brochure. I don't care how you say it. Okay. These are already, like, nothing spilled out. You're just gonna move it. Don't move the spoon though, because it has chemicals on it. Okay. Would you like to do it?
Yes, I would. Prepare. Yeah, now it's brownish.
The whole paper?
Okay.
It's like coloring.
It's like marker.
It's like coloring.
Mm. Patience is the key.
I can see how you color.
I don't really color, I just draw.
I can see. Did you have to touch the...
Frustrated much.
You worry me sometimes.
You worry me too, sister.
I don't know why. Help me. Okay, just please just do it.
I'm a bad drawer.
Drawer?
I mean color.
Coloring? You're just bad at coloring. How about that?
See, it's taking you a long time too.
Trying to get the bottom of the paper, sir. It's not about you taking a long time. It was just horrible. Alright, go ahead.
Okay, now we place the lemon and potato. Would you like to do the potato?
Sure. How do we...
Put it next to it.
So this step says, put the slices on the paper. Fresh cut down. Yeah, it says fresh cut down and push down gently. So, I'm gonna just... You can do the potato.
Wait for 5 minutes.
We wait for 5 minutes?
Yep.
Do we press down on it for 5 minutes? Or do we just leave it? Okay.
Well, I would like to do it for 5 minutes. It feels slimy, kind of. Yeah.
Okay.
You're looking at me weird. I don't know why.
You don't know why. I look at you weird every day.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Every day you do something crazy.
No, you don't. You're speaking nonsense.
No. Trust me, if they had to see through my eyes.
Mm. Okay.
It's been about 5 minutes, right? No.
No. Are you crazy?
I'm too impatient for this.
Patience is the key.
Patience is a virtue. You should talk to the viewers while they're waiting.
Okay. Hello, viewers. How's it going? Okay. So, if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to leave a like, comment down below comment down below something helpful. Well, just comment down below what's your thoughts or anything.
Comments, questions, concerns.
And also, more importantly, share with your friends. Share with your family, friends, and they might share too.
And I don't
with
know
their other friends.
if you guys noticed, but we had our gloves on before, before the video. We decided to do this to save some time.
Yeah, to save some time. If you saw some of the other videos, be sure to check it out.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. I wouldn't say that. The first video,
Right. 10 million years. It's been about 5 minutes. I
Yeah.
don't care what you say.
Okay. Now time to go to step 5. May you hold it? Okay. Compare what happened with the iodine beneath your slices. Do not eat the fruits and vegetables used in the experiment. Okay, let's check it out.
Ew. That is ugly. So, if you guys can see,
Check yours
it's
out.
kind of blue with the lemon. Oh. I'm sorry.
Here you go, viewers.
So, it's kind of blue. Yeah, it's kind of blue. And with the lemon, it's kind of blue.
Kind of blue.
Yeah,
Mm.
it's
Well,
kind of blue.
The lemon looks bluer than yours.
No, it kind of looks the same.
Okay, let's pull it back out. Over here. With a potato on this side, it looks the blackish blue. Well, black and blue. To me, it does. Okay, let me read, please. Thank you. Ascorbic acid is good at giving its electrons away, and iodine L2 is keen to take them. When iodine molecules take electrons from ascorbic acid, they turn into colorless iodine ions. L. Is that an L or a I? I negative. Yeah. Iodine atoms with an extra electron. The more ascorbic acid a fruit or vegetable contains, the more iodine it can turn into iodide ions, and the less brown iodine will be left on the paper. This way, you can roughly estimate the amount of ascorbic acid in a fruit or vegetable. That took a while to read. Hold on. Excuse me.
Yes.
Not done. Among other things, ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C, plays a crucial role in the functioning of some of the enzymes in our bodies. The human body can't produce vitamin C on its own. It must get it from food. When food is lacking the molecule, the body can contract a particular nasty disease called scurvy.
What?
Right here, scurvy.
Scurvy.
Yeah, scurvy. Which has all sorts of unpleasant
Symptoms like weakness and tooth loss. You don't want to lose your teeth.
No.
Before we discovered vitamin C's ability to prevent this disease in the 20th century, people who had no access to fruits or vegetables, like sailors, got scurvy all the time. Next time you see an image of a pirate's toothless grin, remember, chances are he didn't lose his teeth in a fight, but rather didn't eat enough vegetables. So, moral of the story. Children, adults, everybody eat your vegetables. It's beneficial.
Don't become pirates without packing vegetables.
That's nothing.
I'm just
Oh my goodness.
It's just
Eat
a
your
joke.
vegetables.
Okay?
Eat your vegetables. It wasn't
If
funny.
you guys don't know me, I like jokes, okay?
Corny ones. It's like my dad jokes.
Dad jokes are kind of funny. You know?
You know what people call that. Okay.
Apparently you don't.
Okay, so
Apparently you have been pushing it hard, not gentle. My God.
show this, and I think I got it. Okay, so
Rip the lemon.
So I don't know if you guys noticed, but the first time we showed you, it was a little bit more blue on the lemon side, and now it's more like white. And I believe that is because I did not press down on the lemon hard enough because it said push down gently. So the potato is supposed to be blue, and as you, while he was reading, he said colorless. I don't know what he said about colorless, but if you guys watched the last experiment, when the when the solution came in contact with the potato, it turned blue. It's basically the same thing. And so it's supposed to be blue, and this is supposed to be white. So now I have done the experiment correctly.
We have done it.
I have done the experiments correctly. It was my side. I didn't see you push it down on a lemon. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thoughts?
My thoughts about this experiment is I like blue. So I like the potato. I like the lemon too as well. It kind of looks like a moon. If you guys look closely, it looks like a moon. And if you guys didn't know, I like blue. It's like my favorite color. So I enjoyed the potato.
Okay.
Hey.
My thoughts on this experiment is, well, it was okay. It's giving me like the same thing from the last time, except, you know, it's different steps. It's using the same chemicals, and it's basically proving the same thing from the last experiment. Y'all should go check that out from last episode. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will vote it
7.
a 5. Yeah, it was okay.
Half. Okay.
I expected a little bit more.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to press that like button. Hit it. Yeah, smash it. Yeah. And also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And comment down below your thoughts about this project or anything.
Thank you for watching. Tune in for the next episode of Let's Get Serious.